Welcome everyone. This is a shortened version of a previous video I did on how to repair your Barista Touch with the ER05 error. This is purely for those that have purchased my repair kit and want an easy to follow guide on how to install it. But for those of you that haven't seen that video, basically the ER05 error happens when the temperature sensor that sits under the milk jug gets damaged. The original part is quite fragile, and each time you put the jug in, the sensor, which is spring loaded, has a wire running from it that is not flexible enough, and this eventually breaks. Breville do sell the whole assembly kit to repair this, but it's quite expensive and often out of stock. So I'm going to show you how you can install a new sensor in your machine to get it back up and running. As you can see by the faulty machine I have here, that the software doesn't let you get past that error message, so you're stuck without a coffee until you can get it fixed. So let's get into the repair. It's not too difficult to do, you'll just need a few common tools and a 3mm drill bit. We're basically going to remove the sensor board, drill out the old faulty sensor and glue in the replacement one. The repair should take you around about 30 minutes or so, and if you don't already have the new sensor, you can find a link to it below this video or in the description. Okay, so to begin the repair, remove the water tank, the bean hopper and the drip tray, then put a towel down and flip the machine on its back. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the cover plate in. Then the other three screws holding the feet and side plate in. Then take out the four smaller screws on the sensor board. You should now be able to reach around and push the sensor through the rubber seal and take off the top cover. With all the parts removed, we need to cut off any remaining wires into the sensor so they don't get in the way. Using a 3mm drill bit, carefully drill down until you get within 1 to 2mm of the bottom, but be very careful you don't go too far and drill all the way through. So just take it steady and do it bit by bit until you are within that range. Then with the repair kit, fill the hole with the thermal glue. Make sure there is enough in there to avoid any air gaps, because that could lose us some accuracy. Once you are happy with this, then stand it somewhere to keep it level and leave it to dry overnight. Once that's dried, simply refit everything back into the machine and hopefully you'll be back up and running again. Thanks for watching.